Okay, I'm going to keep this as short as concise as I possibly can. You may be familiar with the publish subscribe mechanism. One thing I do want to stress, I have an image right here, is that it's different from the observer pattern in that the event bus and the publisher are separated. In the case of a observer pattern, one would be able to know who is subscribing, and in the case of the publish subscribe, that need not be the case. However, in a specific example, we do know who will be subscribing because we're just strictly going to code in who's watching who. But in a general case, you would need to run SQL queries or do something else. So anyway, let's get started. We have a few classes here. We have the YouTube channel, we have the content creator with my name, we have a video class, and we have a viewer class. So to explain this code, let's go to the YouTube channel. This channel is actually the event bus. So what it does is a very simple implementation. It has a list of subscribed people. It has a function to subscribe someone, which will add someone to the subscribed list, and also an unsubscribe function, which is unimplemented because in this case it will throw errors and it's not wanted. Also, we have a publish. So whenever something is published to the channel, to the event bus, it will notify the subscribers and they will receive the video. So in any case, this is just a broker between the publisher and the subscriber. Then we have our creator class, which does nothing but just being able to create videos. We have a video class, which does nothing but be able to watch videos. And we have a viewer class, and the viewer is an implementation of the subscriber you've just seen, whereas the creator is an implementation of the publisher. So what we're doing here is we have a watch list. Viewers usually have some stuff they want to watch. Usually they watch the first thing that comes to mind, but sometimes they make a list. So we've chosen to implement a list here, and they can accept videos. That means that as soon as the event bus or the channel transfers that information, that means the viewer can accept that video and add it to the list. Also, we've implemented a function where you just watch all the videos. Now, how does this all come together? And why is it important to have a decoupled version between the publisher and the subscriber? In this case, I'm gonna first going to display how this works with a 1v1 simple implementation. So we have our channel right here. We have our viewer, which is you. Also your friends. And we can subscribe these friends to the channel. Afterwards, we can create a creator, and the creator can create a video or do whatever kind of message he wants to portray. In this case, because we're using the example of you needing to subscribe to my channel because it's really important and I want you to, we will make use of my name and also a title of my video. Then we can publish the video on the channel, and then everything will be watched. So if we run this code, we start a terminal, I'll do npm test. You see that you started watching a video. The title of the video is displayed. As explained before, the viewer has a list of videos. So it will go through the flow of starting with the publisher, it will go through the event bus, and then go through the subscriber. So when you execute the events in this order, you get channel, the channel gets subscribed to, the videos get published to, and then the viewers receive the video. In the case of unsubscribing, that would mean the viewers would be removed from the list, which is obviously something we do not want, not in the slightest, because I want you to subscribe. Subscribe to my channel, please. I'm begging you. I'm pretty desperate. Also, in order to explain the rest of why the publish subscribe pattern is important, and it will need explanations of the subscribe unsubscribe mechanism and examples, and that's obviously out of scope. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.